Hello, my name is Vuk and I'm going to show you my final project of web design course. It is it's portfolio styled website. I made an architecture bureau website actually, so I followed the structures and examples that we got in course material. So I focused on these three examples that we got. And stick with their design principles as much as it possible. So I started by looking for searching for photos. Actually, before I decided what I'm going to do, so I found good photos for header and footer, and good photos for the project. So I was like, oh, it could be like an architecture bureau site. So the first thing I made was this hero image and footer, and after that, like the other things comes naturally. That fits with that style, lines, colors. Then I made this logo with color that stands out in that environment, and fits with that gray dark tone palette. And then I continue with the same thing with other background images around. So I continued using this golden color like in navbar to highlight something to here in social icons. Um, so it gives us some kind of elegance and some kind of like luxury, and goes well with everything. So after that, I was looking for photos for um, to fit in the this homepage, and by using grid layout, I made it very simple, readable, nothing around much to distract you. Just you some viewer can be very focused on and read it very clear. Um, so what else I can say about these things? Yes, I follow some design principles, some kind of repetition, as you can see, some kind of like balance, and what else? Color palettes. I choose some fonts that is like with more or less minimalistic and straight lines that goes well with some kind of profession like design, architecture. What else? So yes, this is the home page, and here we have a project. That's the highlights of I made it very simple, exactly the same by using grid. I tried many different ways, but this one make to for the image itself to stand out, to be very properly visible, and nothing around, as I said, to distract you. um, yes. Then I have like about us page. Yeah, it's very minimalistic, simple. um, that gray background goes well with footer and header, hero image with a white font. It's simple but effective, I think so. So yeah, here in documentation a page, I describe more precisely how I choose the colors and what color palette I'm been using. Yes, and yep, I made the website responsive as well. Yeah, I'm very actually proud how it looks on like a smaller devices, like on mobile phones. it looks even more elegant and yeah, and luxury. Uh, I had a few days about this wide hero image, but lack of time, I couldn't make it to be like to to scroll or to hide in some point. Yes, unfortunately, I didn't have time to make the new team or something, but actually the whole project was very inspiring to me, so I really enjoyed very much. Yep, for this like code perspective, I started by making copy the fresh new version of example portfolio folder. It was easy for me to just adjust everything step by step for the beginning, all the things to work like on the server. I installed the composer from beginning and other things for styling and copy the theme. So and some necessary things here in the shared for just for nav to be like this hamburger or more dynamic like. And yes, for the CSS style, I divided the style code in some my I was looking on online and to see what's the best practice by dividing that, and yeah, more or less I followed some structure and try to make it like readable and easy to access something and to change. So yep. Yeah, I've been using this C image for here for images to properly adjust everything. More easy to adjust photos, especially these team member photos, um, to make it the same dimension and to be focused on the faces and like that. Yes, what else I can say? Yep. Uh, Actually, that's all. So thanks for watching me.